Please. You'll wake the dead. Chemicals in the vascular flesh create cadaveric spasms. I know you are. Cuticle lacerations from pulling at the wire. In death, there are no accidents and no escapes. What you have to realize is that we're all just a mouse that a cat has by the tail. Every single move we make, from the mundane to the monumental, will run. The people we have sex with or won't with us. The airplanes that we ride or walk out of, leading to the grave. Alex, you've already done that by walking off the plane. Your friend's departure shows that death has a new design. Now you have to figure out how and when it's coming back at you, if you think you can get away with it. But remember, the risk of cheating the plan, of disrespecting the design that could terrorize even the Grim Reaper. And you don't even want to fuck with that, Mac Daddy.
Yeah,
no harm, no foul. I'll see you soon.
Hello, Claire. I've been expecting you. Come to pick my brain. Dead. Yet still fresh. You can't cheat death. There are no escapes.
Distinct design. Not once, but dozens of times.
Such fire in you now. People are always most alive, don't you think? Only new life can defeat death. Some people say there's a balance to everything. For every life, there's a death. For every death, there is a life. But the introduction of life that was not meant to be forced death to start anew. You have to follow the signs, Kimberly.
Death doesn't like to be cheated. You all just be careful now.
okay. Thanks for the advice. There's Candace, now Isaac.
Creepy dude. Why are you following us? What are you doing?
My job.
What's happening to us?
What makes you think I know anything?
You warned us.
It's just that I've seen this before. Few survive the disaster, and then one by one, death comes for them all. It's a wrinkle in reality, and that wrinkle is you.
I mean, is that it?
You were supposed to die on that bridge. You're not supposed to be here. Death have somebody else in your place, and then you take their spot in the realm of the living, and they take your place in death. Then the books are balanced.
Wait a minute.
I don't make the rules. I just clean up after the game is over.
You know you make me wanna shout, kick my heels up and shout, throw my hands up and shout, throw my head back and shout. Come on now, don't forget to say you will. Don't forget to say yeah, yeah.
We'll be right back. Hi, sweetie.
How far along are you?
Bye.
Okay, it's almost over.
William John Bludworth, but my friends call me JB.
For you, Stephanie, Charlie, no Julia.
So, which one of you is next?
Hear about Iris. She was a special woman.
How did you know her?
She saved my life
When?
At the Skyview.
My mother brought me with her to work that night.
JB, honey, I told you, you gotta stay back there while I'm on stage.
I wasn't supposed to be there, except, of course, to die.
Everyone needs to get off the dance floor! Now, wait, no!
Iris!
Correct.
So all that time she...
Years later, she tracked me down, helped me see the truth. We traded ideas. I helped her fortify her cabin. We became friends. Best medical care I could, considering her condition.
Iris...
By killing or by dying. Cycle, you have to die.
What does that mean?
A long time ago, a young woman named Kimberly Corman.
What?
And if you fuck with death and lose, things can get very messy. For years, people have been coming to me for advice. Well, I'm tired. I'm done with all that. And now I'm sick just like Iris. There's no running this time. Fact is, you're all gonna die. And after that, I will too.
Dude, we need your help. Where are you going?
I intend to enjoy the time I have left. Life is precious. Enjoy every single second. Good luck.